Hello, my name is Paul Jandro, and I'm the math professor at Texas State Technical College in Marshall. This semester you will be taking my online course in college algebra, which is Math 1312. This semester we will be doing many things, but including solving quadratic functions using the quadratic formula, and factoring methods as well as the square root method. We will also be solving third, fourth, and fifth degree equations using synthetic divisions as well as using the graphing calculator. In addition, we will be working on solving exponential and logarithmic equations. And we will also be using the graphing calculator to solve systems of equations of second and third degree with matrices, which will be an exciting class. I'm glad to have you with us this semester. Please feel free to ask me any questions you would care to. Okay. Now, here's the classes the stuff we will be using here. Again, those are things we just discussed, or I just discussed with you. Now, why I got into teaching? Well, I started off as an aerospace engineer at Rockwell International back in the 80s. Things happened, and I ended up needing to get into teaching. Took up teaching, and discovered I liked and enjoyed teaching very much. Started in California, taught there about 7-8 years, then did a 2-year stint in Kansas, and been teaching in Texas for the last several years. Currently, I have about 18 years of teaching and been teaching at TSDC here. This is my first year. So I hope you enjoy the class. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I mean, there's no such thing as a dumb question in this class. I know you all start at different levels and will need different levels of help. So please remember to ask questions frequently and often. They are much encouraged and much desired. It is my desire to help you and see that you get through this class successfully. And I hope you enjoyed this introduction video. Again, you can see here and see what we will be going over at this time. Thank you.